Hi guys, my name is Regina and I make art videos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a subscriber, hi, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be painting some plants and with flowers and then some cactuses, and that's all. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. So this is the paper that I'm using, and it's the Strathmore, the hot press. And if you need a little inspiration for watercolor, I have this book. And so yeah, let's get on with the video. So hi guys again. So in this part, I'm just preparing the colors. And I have my watercolor brushes that I thought were short but were really long. But anyways, so now I'm just sketching the plant or the flower. You can take whatever reference photo you want and just copy from them. But this is what I'm doing. I'm just starting with this easy plant, which resulted in me doing another thing which I never thought I'd enjoy doing. But anyways, I'm just sketching, and now I'm putting some watercolor. So in this part, the green that I'm using is permanent green olive and cobalt green dark, and I also mix a little bit of May green, which gives it like a lighter green, like yellow green. So as you can see, this is the olive green, and then that's the May green, and the middle green is the cobalt green dark, or cobalt green. So I'm just mixing them together and painting the flowers now. So I'm painting the flowers now, and I'm just using pink with a little mix of purple and pink, and it turned out that way. And then I'm just repeating the same thing as I did and painting the leaves earlier. I'm just painting the stem with green again, and voila, we have our flower. And now in this part, I am just painting, or no, I'm gonna paint a cactus, if that's what you call it, cacti. So yeah, anyways, so I did the sketch, and now I'm just painting the green again, and it's the same procedure of what I did. I just used all the greens. I just combined all of the greens and then created like more of like a dynamic, to create more of a dynamic picture or painting. So yeah, mixing the lighter green, which is May green again, with darker greens such as the cobalt green dark, and then I added a little bit of yellow, orange. Also, I would like add a little bit of blue to my greens. For example, I would add indigo or ultramarine blue to cobalt green, so that I can create the shadows with those colors, and then, which is what I'm doing right now. And then I would use a warmer green for the areas that I would like to pop or go to the front, which is what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'm just adding more shadows, and yeah, I really enjoy doing these details, and that's what I'm doing. Basically, what I'm doing right now is I keep creating layers upon layers. So I think it's better to start with well, it depends on your style, but for me, I start with a thin layer of color. I don't start with a darker color first. I start with a light color, then I keep building up, and then the last colors that I add are the dark ones, like the shadows. And then I would like add a wash of like a brighter color to make it look more colorful, which is what I'm doing right now. It's very slow, a slow process, but I don't know, it can be really intricate if you want to, like those people who paint botanical paintings of those like diagrams of leaves and plants that are so intricate and detailed, that are like so beautiful when you look at, and you're like, wow, the patience to do that, but basically that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah. If you're ever wondering why there's like few sticks or needles that's like sticking out from the cactus, it's because earlier my camera died, so I had to wait a little bit and then do the procedure again. Sounds like a doctor. The watercolor process again. So now I just added the needles, and then now I'm just doing another cactus, and yeah, it's so fast doing just like speeding it up. Basically, if you're waiting for your watercolor to dry, you can always just go to another part of your watercolor and then start doing that, and let that part dry, and then go to the part that's dry, and then just basically go back and forth, which what I'm doing right now. I'm basically, I just mixed a white gouache. I wish I had the Winsor & Newton one. And then I mixed a little bit of yellow watercolor to create these dots. I think you can also use some acrylic, a white acrylic for this one. But as long as the white is like shown or is opaque, you're good to go. So when my camera died, I did this watercolor painting and I really like how it turned out and makes me want to do more watercolor paintings. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video and learned something from it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you guys in my next video. Bye! Boo!